Good afternoon, all. It's noon on the 30th. I got a few earthquakes here to report. In Crete, Greece, there was a 5.0 at 44 miles in depth. USGS downgraded it to a 4.9. But when it was a 5.0, 3 people reported it. USGS, nobody reported it. All right, a 4.1 in Iran at 59 miles in depth. USGS never put it up. A 4.7 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. 3.6 Riverside, California at 9.9 miles in depth, and 9 people reported it. All right. I've got a 5.1 in Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. USGS just downgraded that one to a 4.8. All right. That's all I have for right now. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are so awesome. Please be safe out there and have a blessed Sunday.